Turn off the lights, turn off the noise, leave it all outside. When you touch my lips, enter through the doors, deep into my eyes. You lose yourself. Okay, I'm here with Roy. I'm in Beirut. We're performing, getting ready. Laurence at the drums from Paris. And Marcus is here, who produced the song with me, which we knew today it's number five. Number 5, top 10. Rising. Daniel's here. Ciao. Say hi to all of Middle East,
Yeah.
in particular to Beirut,
Okay.
and to the rest of the world.
Yes. We're there, man.
And there's a lot of people organizing everything for tonight, and hopefully tonight it will be amazing. We want to say thank you to Mix FM that believed in our song, loved the song, and today is